Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to pre-stretch a piece of vinyl to make mirrors a lot easier to wrap. So we're going to go ahead and pull the backing off of this. I'm going to get it tacked onto my door trim here. Alright, now we're going to take the heat gun, high heat. I'm just going to go back and forth, get this nice and soft. We're going to take both hands and we're just going to give that a nice stretch and let it cool down. All right, now we've let it cool down. Oh, I want to use knives. All right, now that we've got this done, we can put a piece of knifeless because we already have this back piece of the mirror done. We're gonna take our pre-stretched vinyl. We're gonna do a little more stretch and manipulation to it. We're going to take it's right to the edge there, and I'm going to take this part,
Good morning.
Good morning. Alright, so now that we got that stretched, now, let's see, we have these fingers here. This is where pre-stretch comes into play. We're going to take heat, go in, just like that. It just takes shape. Oh yeah, right there. Oh, the pop back. See how nicely that just lays down. And here too. Just a little bit of heat. There's the end of it right there. So this corner just needs a little bit of attention. So we're gonna get that corner wrapped. There we go, just like that. Now all we gotta do is trim, and she's good to go. Now this has no tension. It did have tension, stretched over, and then you saw us relieve the tension by heating it. It pulled itself into position, glassing it out, essentially. And then now, if I go over this with heat, it's not moving. It's not pulling back. It's right where it should be. Here we got a little bit right into position. That will not be failing. So, hopefully that was helpful. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.